Welcome back to Zig, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and today's video I'll be showing you how to enable preload pages in Chrome Beta Mobile. So you have a chance to actually be shown your preloaded pages on your Chrome. That's how this works. So what you need to do is you have to click on the three dots above your screen right there, and you click on settings. So once you click on settings, you click on privacy and security, then you can see preloading pages. So once you get to this point, what you need to do is you can see no preloading, which is how everyone's setting is, and you can see the standard preloading. Some of the pages that you visited are preloaded. Pages may be preloaded through Google server when linked from a Google site or app. So we are not going to pick that. You're picking on the extended preloading. More pages are preloaded. Pages may be preloaded through Google server when requested from by other sites and apps. So you just click on that, and once you click on that, it's going to be preloaded. All your pages and sites are going to be preloaded. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more episodes like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.